Good morning, children. Hope you are all fine. In this video, I will explain one concept, that is comments in Java programming. So before going to comments in Java programming, open your BlueJ and open one sample program. Open your BlueJ. Take one program. For example, addition of two numbers program I opened. Observe. Three variables are there. Initialized A with 10, B with 20, and C is equal to A plus B. And you are printing the value C. So this is an addition of two numbers program. So if you compile this program, no syntax errors and you will get output. So you are able to understand this particular code. If you are a Java programmer, means you are able to understand the code. For example, if a non-programmer observes this code, he failed to understand the code. That means what is a class, what is a main, the declaration of variable, all these things. So if you want to provide any additional information about the program, then in such cases, we are using comments concept in Java programming. If you want to provide any additional information in Java program, in your program, then we are using comments. So note down. Comments in Java. See the first point. If we want to provide additional information about the program, then we are using comments. Next point. These comments are not executed by the compiler. These comments, whatever the comments you are using inside the program, these comments are not executed by the compiler. Comments are not executed by the compiler. That means inside the comment what it is written by you, those statements are not executed by the compiler. Whatever it is written by you inside the comments, those are not executed by the compiler. See, these comments are used to hide the code. If you want to hide the code, then in such cases also we are using comments concept in Java programming. So there are three types of comments available in Java programming. One is single line comment. Second one, multi-line comment. Third one, documentation comment. So these are the three types of comments available in Java program. One is single line comment, one is multi-line comment, and one more is a documentation comment. So first one is single line comment. Single line comments. See, single line comments are denoted with the symbol 2 forward slashes. Single line comments are denoted with the symbol 2 forward slashes. See here, you have to indicate anything, whichever the statement or anything you want to write, only single line. So single line comment is used to comment only single line. One single line, if you want to mention any comment, then one in single line, then you have to use single line comment. Now the example sheet. Open your BlueJ. For example here, class begins, compare, no syntax errors. For example, class begins like this, it is written by you, compare. So begins spelling is wrong. By mistake, 2s are printing. Even though these comments are not compiled by the compiler. So whatever you are writing, those are not compiled by the compiler. Next, main begins. More than one line, that means multiple lines of code. Then in such cases, single line comment is not valid. So more than one line means you have to use multi-line comment in Java programming. So second one, multi-line comment. See, multi-line comments are denoted with the symbol. So more than one line. This is a symbol. This is a symbol for multi-line comment. This is a syntax you have to follow for multi-line comment. In between anything you have to write. You have to begin and you have to end like this. Now examples. For example, these two lines not compiled by the compiler. So this is a multi-line comment. This is an example for multi-line comment. Multi-line comment is used to comment multiple lines. Is used to comment multiple lines. So third one is documentation comment. See, documentation comment is used to create documentation API. See, it is used to create documentation API. To create documentation API, we need a Java doc tool. To create documentation API, we need Java doc tool. It is provided by JDK. Java doc tool is provided by JDK. See, syntax or documentation comment. See, this is a syntax for documentation comment. It is also called as a documentation comment, is also called as a doc comment. Now examples. If you are taking any new class, for example, comments. Open. Now observe here. Whenever you are taking a new class, we are selecting all and deleting and we are writing the new program. Now observe here. Documentation comment. Write the description of the class, author name. These are the tags, version number, anything. If you want to write, then brief description if you want to write about the class, then we are using documentation comment. So these are the three types of comments in Java programming. One is a single line comment, one is multi-line comment, and one is a documentation comment. These comments are not executed by the compiler. Generally, why we are using comments in Java programming? If you want to provide any additional information about the program, then in such cases we are using comments concept in Java programming. Comments are not compiled by the compiler. So thank you. Next class I'll continue with one more concept.